सोमारा सावन बीग स्नूकर लिगाक म्हापशा सुरवात जाल्या। 19 जूनाक सर्तीची फायनल्स जातली। ह्या लिगाक गोंय तशेंच गोंया भायले लोक हजर आशिल्ले। स्नूकर प्रीमियम सर्तीचे गोंयांत आयोजन यशस्वी जाला। गोंयांत अशेंच आनीक सर्ती जावच्यो म्हूण खेळगड्यांची प्रतिक्रिया। RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
I have come for the tournament which is organized by Sarvesh Kovlekar of Crucible and Rahul Talkar. The tournament is of its own kind, first of its own kind. It's a league tournament which is probably coming first time in Goa. Players get to play a lot of matches and then the enthusiasm is increased by them because of the matches they play. They can get to play to the players. Very good players have already entered in this tournament, like Mukund Bhatia, Samar Khandelwal, Abhijit Ranade, Kunal Lokre, Sarvesh Kovlekar and Krishna Barat from Goa. The tournament is going perfectly well. The experience is too good to play here. I am sure the tournament will go excellent, very well successful tournament, and I hope the next year also I'll get to play here again. I hope that. I wish the organizers best wishes for the successful completion of the tournament. Day after tomorrow they will be starting pre-quarter finals, and finals will be on 19th.
I have been invited by Mr. Talkar, Rahul Talkar and Sarvesh, who have been friends of mine for some time, to come and play this tournament. And this has been a wonderful event, and it has attracted players from all over India actually. And the organization of the event is very professional. Rahul Talkar especially has worked round the clock, and Sarvesh with his help who has given the venue, and it's a wonderful facility. All the players are really enjoying themselves, and I surely hope that this helps the youngsters of Goa to come and play more, come and play the sport more, and see the players of national caliber who are playing here, and see how the game is played and what improvements can be made. All the players here are always willing to help anybody who wants any direction or coaching or anything. Everybody is willing to do it, and of course it's free of cost. So,
and 6 red Maharashtra state champion. I would like to thank Rahul and Sarvesh for organizing such a good event, snooker tournament. I played today. It was good experience for me. Tables are good. Atmosphere in the billiard room is very well. I hope to see more tournaments in Goa in future.